Så. Ok, kom litt nærmere da, kompis. Bra jobba. Kom litt nærmere. Welcome to another unauthorized and rum-fueled treasure hunt in the sharky waters around the Gatsby Islands without Queen Ray. Smil. And I'm your host, Ola, and this is the Pirate Princess. Du må se opp. Se opp. It's the Pirate Princess. Okay? Og det er bra, det. Det er bra jobba, det, kompis. Skal du blåse? Ja, skal du blåse en gang til?
Ja, nå skal jeg gå ned.
Nå skal du gå ned. Heia, bra jobba, kompis.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow. All right. Let's get to it then. Yeah, so I'm going to share my screen. Why not? Share screen. Share screen. Jeg vil ha den. Yes, everybody. This is what we're doing today. Here. I'm doing data relationships here inside of Sanity. And that's here. And then I'm going to use it in my Gatsby web page, which I'm making together with Lillian, and that is here. This image looks a little weird, but that's not what we're looking at today. So that's what we're doing. And well, maybe I should say what it is. Okay. So here, Lillian can load up the... Oh! Oh, it's over me. I'm gone now. Okay. Well, hello. I'll remove it right away. Yeah. Maybe it's easier for you guys to see than me. I don't know. Anyway, so over here you see, here are some of the projects of the... where it's actually just one project of the Pirate Princess, and it's Bebop here. And I am going to, we call it toppings here. It's very good. It's actually tags. And for this project, she used duct tape and cardboard. You see, it's kind of silvery. The Bebop robot she made, and that's duct tape. And then she used cardboard. She also used a glue gun, but yeah, maybe I'll add it. Add item. Type to search. Glue. Glue gun. Glue. There you go. Okay. That's what she used for that. And then I want that to show up here. So let's see if we can find Bebop. I'm not sure if we can actually, because I don't think we can. Can't find Bebop. Well, that's life. Okay. But the point is that you see here, which page should I go to? This here. Yes, there is Bebop. There's Bebop. So Bebop is there. but we should be able to go up here and look at these tags here. Yeah, glue gun. Okay, glue gun. I'm clicking glue gun, and here will a picture of um, beep up show up later when I fix that, which might be after Christmas. And yeah, so that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing. So we're going to do the what, why, and how now. So now it's the why. So the whole point of this is it's that I'm going to teach Lillian, which was here earlier. You can see it on the video. If you come late, you can see it later on YouTube. we I'm going to teach her how to upload her images here. And oops, I don't know what I clicked, but let's hope it shows back up. Oh, I think I clicked the tag. I see. Go back then. Well, anyway, I want her to be able to upload her image there, and then I think maybe I'll tag him. You know, she's not going to tag him, and the point is that there it goes. Yeah, so she should be able to just go in here, upload her images and of her projects, and I will tag them, and she can send links to her friends so they can look at them, and then we can remove the project from the living room or her room and store it safely in the archives. And I'm going to use the same tags in the archives up here on my loft. So yeah, that's the why. So it's going to be easy for her and also safe so that she can find her projects again later. Yep. And how did I do it? So um, I'm just going to show you one thing here today, and that's creating this here thing. Take it away now. So what I have here is Pete. Yeah, the queen says, can't wait till I have some of these projects out of the living room. Yeah, there's some of these projects are a lot larger than Beep Up. Yeah. So what I have here is what I call pizza.js, and that's basically what you see over here inside of Sanity.io, and it's just I'm just making these things here, you know, project name, image, and price and slug, and then here I have topping.js, and as you can see, I'm not even using this blue here. It's commented out. It's very little code in here. It's just I'm just basically creating a document and giving it two fields, which is the name field and no, is that the name field? I don't know. So I'm just creating two fields here, which is basically, well, maybe let's have a look here. This is this is what I made. Let's look at duct tape. I don't have any images here. Yeah, I'm not even using images. Oh, it's a little slow. So yeah, I'm basically just saying, give it a name. That's here. You know, name the tool, for example, duct tape, and then is it safe to use it alone? And if it is, duct tape is safe to use alone. I click it like that, and then inside of pizzas again, I'm going back to the pizzas. I'm calling it pizzas. It's very smart because I'm following Vespas's Master Gatsby course, and it will come in very handy later in the code. You will see today to call it pizzas. So, okay, back to my code here. In the pizza.js, I will now add this here. So I'm just adding this. It's an object, and then I'll give it a name. Did I give it a title? I think so. Title. Write them in soon. Oops, don't do that. And type. What is this here? So this is the point, kind of. My first point on the how thing, how I did it. So this is an array. And they have something fancy pants inside of Sanity, which I use here, which is called of. So it's an array of, I think it's things like that. It's an array of type reference. Reference. Yeah. You want it to be like that, maybe? I don't know. I don't know why it gives me red there, but we'll find out. Reference, maybe that's reference? No, I think that's right. So it's an array of type reference, and then I'm going to reference it to another array. I'm going to cheat now. Oh, that was a bad cheat. Okay, so it's an array of reference. Let's look at my cheat sheet, and I have it here. Oh, maybe I should have shown you the data model first. I'll do it later. This is my cheat sheet. Okay. Yes, it's a type of reference. Oh, the comma is yeah, the comma is right. Oh, sorry. Reference must be. Do you think it works if I just? It must be like that. You didn't like that so much better, did you, Sanity? Okay, but anyway, it's an array of a type reference to an array, which is a type of topping. And where do I get topping from? I feel that this should be right now. I shouldn't have red lines now. Go away, red lines. Where do I get topping from? Go to definition. No, that didn't work. So I get it from here. You see here? Oops. Name, topping. So that's where I get it from. That's where I get it from. Okay, let's look at the cheat sheet again. Of type reference to. Oh, here you go. That's better. Look at that. It's going to work now. That's great. And yeah. Now they are connected. Whoa. Fields can only contain characters. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's because I didn't name them. But let's have a look at this. Invalid field name. Oh, it's very small, Sanity. I think we should do this. Yeah, here you go. Oh no, found errors in schema. Invalid field name. You see here? Invalid field name. It's very invalid. Yeah. So I'm going to call it something. And that is toppings with an S. Toppings. That's also going to come in very handy later in the code here. And then I'm going to give the title toppings and tools, and tags of the pirate princess Lillian. Yep. How do you like that? Rebuilding bundle. That's what I'm talking about. Whoops. Yep. Restoring sanity. Now it works. Okay. Good. Good, good, good. Okay. So that was step A. That was step A. I made this here. And the central part is this. Then type array of type reference to a type of topping, and I get the topping from there. All right, people, that was A. Haven't named that step yet, but I will. Okay. So what I basically did here is, let's see if I can see it. Can you see it? No, you can't see it. It's I know what I have to do. I have to stop sharing screen. There we go. Here, I'm back. Okay, so this is my data model then. I learned this from Benedict. You see here? Okay, so you see here, it's a house. This is a house made out of cardboard. Oh, there. That is actually, it says Lillian. That's an A. That's an N, Lillian. So that's more like a painting. And then I have my tags here. You see the tags? Duct tape. Is it kind of the, do you read it backwards now? Well, I'm sorry. It says duct tape. It says glue gun. So duct tape goes both to the cardboard house, as you see the arrows here, and glue gun also. It's weird to think that the drawing, I mean the painting, has duct tape and glue gun, but you know, I can tag things however I like because that's how I'm gonna tag it here. I am going to tag it all by myself. It's the right way. Wait, sorry. Oh, where I can't read with John's voice. It's the right way. Okay, I'm going to put, I think I'm going to use what we usually use here. The normal thing, so that, yeah, so that I don't come underneath the comments. But I must still remove the comments. Yes, thank you for that comment, Queen Ray. Okay, that was step A. Step B is, okay, so then let's get into the front end. So the pink here, you see it's pink. It's bordered with pink. And you know what? You know what? I need to tell somebody here I'm live. Kelly S. Kelly S. No, I can't give you that. That doesn't mean anything. Maybe I should give you. No, I don't have it. Oh, yeah. I have to send this to Kelly. Yeah. Come on. All right. All right. Let's get into the front end. So the pink here is the back end. And then the that looks like this. And now we're going to look at this. Yeah, so here this is the glue gun, but we're not making these pages now. We are making this page, pizzas. And this is how it's going to look. You see here all the tags. It looks like a lot of weird tags. Mushroom, that's a very weird tag, but yeah, duct tape. Um, pulled pork, sausage, steak. That's my favorite. Hello! Kom tilbake, da!
Hvorfor sa du hello til meg?
Fordi jeg snakker engelsk.
Mm.
The Pirate Princess is back!
Jeg vil ha telefonen.
Hopp opp. Er du på TV? Jeg skal prøve å få deg på TV.
Jeg vil ha telefonen.
Klarer du å si det på engelsk?
Jeg vil ha telefonen.
Hva er telefon på engelsk, da?
Aner ikke.
Telefon.
Jeg vil ha telefonen.
Ok, hva skal du bruke den til?
Å ha lydboksekarat.
Ja. The Pirate Princess wants her audiobook.
Ja.
Du må rulle deg litt bakover. Bak, ja. Du må rulle deg bakover. Oi, sånn er bra. Er du ferdig med filmen? Hva så du på da?
Bæsjen brun.
Mener du julegaverese med hva?
Nei, vi så en annen.
Hva så dere da?
Vi så, jeg husker ikke hva den heter. Jul i Flåklypa.
Jul i Flåklypa, den har jeg også lyst til å se. Skal jeg åpne den? Skal jeg åpne den?
Se koden.
Ja, her kompis.
Ha det.
Ha det. Ha. Ha. Bak. Ja. Ja, steak. Her var det heller ikke noe. Okay, sorry about not speaking Norwegian. There's nothing here either. That was my mistake. Sorry about that. So these are the pizzas, and then they have tags. What happens if I click this then? Oh, okay. Sorry. We're not going to show off the images today, but here it is. It's working. That's great. And look at this pizza here. Cluck Norris. Is it that or is it that? No, that's Pure Necessities. This is Cluck Norris. These are the pizzas from Westball's Master Gatsby course. Buy it. You'll never regret it. It's great. I've been working on it since it came out. Every week to, pick up some new stuff. Okay, so what we're going to do is create this here. This bunch of tags. And you see all these tags, he made them. These are all Westball's tags. So, okay, how do you do that? And I wish I could tell you it's easy, but it's not. It's not that easy, but it's not that hard either. But we're not going to do a lot here. What we're just going to do is get the data from Sanity and into Gatsby here. So that's step B, our second step. And we have something called GraphQL over here in localhost. Well, it's not actually GraphQL, it's GraphQL. They call it a playground. I don't know, playground. It is to make your life easier, basically. Yeah, it has this great code exporter here. That's groovy. I thought maybe, there you go away, code exporter. So you see here, I'm this query here that I made it here. So we're gonna look at it now. Yeah, we're gonna look at it. First, we just delete all this. And we click the Explorer button right there. And then this is all the data I'm getting in to my to my Gatsby. This is all the data I'm getting from Gatsby. And you see here, all sanity pizza. That's what I'm looking for. And all sanity topping. Those are my tags, but we're not doing it like that. We're doing it like this. I just click that little arrow, and then here are all the choices I have. So what's in this is, so this is basically data dot all sanity pizza here. As you see here, data all sanity pizza, and I want the nodes, because so I want the nodes here. Is it small? I think maybe it is a little small. I'll make it bigger. I'll make it bigger. Come on. You can be bigger. Yeah. Okay. So what I want here is basically pizza treasure. I want this pizza treasure. And then I need data pizza nodes. So all sanity pizza, that's data. And I am calling this pizza. Pizzas. I'm renaming this. I'm renaming this all sanity pizza here to pizzas, because that's going to be handy later. And I'll show you very soon. And then I'm going to open my nodes here. Look, this is all the stuff I can get from my nodes. Well, all the data I can get from my nodes. And it's very, it looks like there's a lot going on here, but it is not actually. So let's do name first. So what kind of pizzas do I have? Here, you see, Cluck Norris. Here comes Truffle, the bee sting. Cake, here it is. Rum cake, I made that myself. Let It Snow, I made that myself. Where's Beep Up? Here it is, Beep Up. Okay, so that's a name. I'm also going to need the ID of them. And you'll see soon. You'll see soon why. And the slug. I made the slug inside there. And I want the current slug. Like that. And then here you see toppings. Those are my tags. So toppings. I want the IDs again. IDs are very handy to have on the data. And I want the name, and I want the, so these are the toppings. And when I move up here, these are the pizza. You see here, toppings, and that here, what you see here now is the pizzas. And I want the image. I want the image from each pizza. Here, you see I click that, image, asset, Gatsby image data, and then you have all these things here. I like to have this width on my images, and I want the placeholder to be blurred, and the formats, was it that? I want the formats to be auto, and that's all I pick. I could probably pick more stuff, but I'm not. So, and then I'll click play to see if it works. And it works. And then you click the code exporter here to just copy the code. But I already did that. I already put it in because live streaming, so I don't want to I don't want to cause any unnecessary trouble for myself here, so I put it in. And this is yeah, so that's basically what's going on in this file. I'm just getting the data here. Oops, I got stuck. I just get my data here, and I say to my function here, I export this function here. I say to it, hey, function, give me that data. Give me that data from GraphQL. And you see this console log here? Maybe you should look at that. That's cool. Console log. Okay. Console. Yeah, we get a lot of stuff here. Sorry about that. I have many console logs, but I think maybe. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah, this is more than I bargained for. Let's go all the way to the top. I'm not going to. No. Yeah, I know that looks bad, but okay. Where is my console log? I don't know, bro. Sorry. Okay, sorry about that. Bad call. Anyway. Uh well, you saw all the toppings there and everything. That just means that my data is working. We'll look more into it soon, but first I'm going to show you here. This is just a normal variable here, and I take the data and I take the pizzas from the data. The pizzas, that's this here, So that's basically all the projects, the pizzas and the projects, and then I take the nodes from that. That's my variable there, and then I import this pizza lists component here from my components up here, and I pass it the prop. Oh, I'm back. Good, good. Okay, so that's this page here. That's this page here. And why do I get all these images and stuff? That's a good question. It's a good question. And I'm going to answer it now. So that was step B, get the data in. Get the data in. Step C is this function here, which takes my data and makes it ready to be used by the component pizza list. Here it is, pizza list. Yeah. You see, I have a bunch of console logs. I'll start commenting them a little bit out. I think that's a good choice because we're going to need it. Yeah, so that's my console. No, that's my pizza list here. And that's so I'm exporting this function here, pizza list. I take in my prop, which was pizzas.nodes something. What was it again? Data.pizzas.nodes, and then I return them here. Return it here, pizza treasures. I map over it, and I make one pizza, single pizza, and I give it this key here. It's very good, or else React will get angry. And then I pass that. No, I don't think I pass it. Yeah, pass the pizza. I pass the pizza I just made here as a prop up here to single pizza. Just up here, up here. Here it goes. Here's the prop. Take it down. Link. A link to pizza name. And the image. Pizza image asset Gatsby image. Gatsby image data, which is what we saw here. This stuff here is what I get. So that's how I get my image. Yep. And then, so that's that. That's how I get the image. That's not what I'm doing today. So that was just to show you how you can do it in passing stuff. But this toppings filter, which I'm using here. So here I'm doing the same thing again. I'm querying my data with something that is called use static query. It's just some groovy Gatsby magic. Oops. Sorry, it should never have done that. I'm getting it here from Gatsby. And you see all this stuff here, we're not going to even look at it. Just take it away. So I'm basically exporting this function here that I'm using in pizzas. You see, I'm importing it here from my components. So I'm exporting this function. Oh, sorry. I'm exporting this function here, and I'm getting in the data again here. How much should I say about the stuff I'm doing over? Not so much, I think. Well, basically, above here, I'm not really doing anything. This function here, count pizzas in toppings, is some Ves boss wizardry that I'm not going to go into. It's very useful, but I'm not going into it. I'll do it in a later stream, maybe. And but I'm calling this function here. Basically, I'm calling it here. I'm passing it the pizza nodes. Pizzas nodes. And then I'm returning here. You see this variable here. I'm doing the same that I did earlier in the pizza list. I'm mapping over the data that has been wizardificated by Wes, mapping over it, making one topping, and then I make a link. I'll make a link, active topping, question mark. That's something else that I suppose he's doing over here. Very good stuff. And I'm mapping over it, and then I'm making a link for each. Oh, look at that! Hello, Inessa! Hi! Hey, Inessa also uses sanity. You know? You know what, Inessa? I finally managed to do what you said. Here. I let's see if I can find it. Oh, where is it? I deployed my GraphQL. It wasn't easy. I can't see. Where is it? Here? Yes! I don't know if you can see it. Yes, you can. Look at that. Sanity GraphQL deploy production. I had to do some stuff, update some stuff, and do some stuff, but I made it work. And if I hadn't done that, this would never have worked. Yeah, it's true. It's true. You would never. So thanks for that, Inessa. Great tip there. Yep. And okay, so back to what I was doing. Yep. So we're mapping over the topping here, and then we're using topping down here to make all these. Well, yes, yes, it is. It is actually cool. This would not have been cool without that tip. Okay, so I'm just making all these links here so that I can go. For example, I'm warning you guys, you're not going to see anything here, but there will be an image here later. Well, no, all the images that are tagged with glue gun glue will show up here. There's just one on pineapple, you see, and there is some wizardry by Wes here, so that the tags with more. You see here, there's 3 pizzas with onions, 3 without peppers, 3 with roasted garlic, mushrooms, truffle, and yeah. So you will see them all here. So there's going to be a lot of drawings of cats, unicorns. Unicorns will probably be the highest on the list. Okay, so that's basically C. Step C. Was that C? Let's call it D. It's getting the data all the way out to the end user here. Oh, sorry. Yes, good, Inessa. Yes, I must remove. That is so true. I must remove your message. That's a good thing you remind me. Yeah, very good. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, Inessa. Uh, um, I'll uh, I'll um, I'll sum it up. I'll sum it up now so that you can get the whole flow here. But maybe you've done the exact same thing. I don't know. Let's find out. Um, so what did I do? Why did I do it? And how did I do it? I made these data relationships here between the projects and the so-called toppings, which are tags. That's what I did here. Oh, I need to make myself big again. Here is a project, and then here are the tags. Sorry, here are the tags, and the tags, there are two tags to this project, and also this drawing up here is two tags. So that's what I was doing. Why? Because I want Lillian to scan her own images or scan her own drawings and paintings, or take photos, load them up. Sorry, need to add you to stream. Load them up into Sanity here, and show them to her friends here. Send it off to friends and family here, like beep up there, because then we can remove them from the living room. So that's the why, and now it's the how. So what I have two schemas here. I have the pizza schema here, and I have the topping schema here. And I basically took this topping schema and connected it. Here I'm connecting the toppings. Here I'm connecting them. So the toppings are a type of array, which is an array of a type of reference. So toppings is a type of array which is of a type of reference to the type of topping. And this is the topping. That's the topping. That's the topping right there. And yeah. So that's step A. I did that inside, and then I did what Inessa said I should do. Deploy the graphical thing, and then I went from Sanity here to to Gatsby here, to the pizza page. So that's step B. I'm taking all this data. I made this inside of graphical. Oh, there was a lot of stuff here, but yeah, like that. Made my query in graphical, and then I took the data and wait, I can actually jump this step. I jump straight. So I have this page here, and then I jump straight to toppings filter. I created my query in graphical, and I took that data. I did some Vespos wizardry here, which looks like that. Yeah, and then I used it. I call that, so this function here, I call it here, I pass it my data pizza nodes, and then I use that here. I map over the toppings with counts treasure. I make it toppings with counts treasure map, and then I get one topping, and that turns into this here. All right. Yep. That's it. That's it. Yeah. So next step maybe we'll get, next step will maybe be to get a page here. Yeah. With images and stuff. And to get that working, I'll have to go into Gatsby node. And I'm actually almost done with that. So that's next step. Okay, everybody. That's it. Let's get the music going. All right. Okay, maybe I should put myself on the big screen. I will do that. Okay. I should do this without gloves. The gloves are off. Okay. This has been another unauthorized and rum-fueled treasure hunt in the sharky waters round the Gatsby Islands without Queen Ray. I'm your host, Captain Uravea. Remember to smash that like button, friends. And next time, maybe there'll be images. Na, 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 na. Okay, bye bye.